Hi there! This tutorial will show you how to create a cross-tabulation in ODESI. To get to our survey, we're going to open up the ODESI repository. So let's go to the Data Center's homepage. We'll now go to the link to ODESI along the top left-hand side of the screen and click on it. We now have the ODESI's homepage. To go to the repository, click on ODESI Repository Nestar, which opens up a new page. We'll go down to Health, click on the plus sign to expand Canada. Then we'll go down to the Canadian Alcohol and Drug Use Monitoring Survey, otherwise known as the CADMS. And we're going to choose the year 2012. Click on the title, and this opens up our survey with our abstract in the middle. Let's say we wanted to look at ecstasy use by province and sex. To do this, we'll click on the Tabulation tab in the top middle of the screen. Let's go to the variable description, and we're going to go down to illicit drugs. Go into ecstasy, and choose the variable, have you ever tried or used ecstasy? Click on it, and add to column. At this point, you'll want to add the weight to make the results more meaningful. To do this, click on the weight column, which will bring you to a new screen. And this is this icon here, along this toolbar to the right. You now want to choose the proper weight variable. By reading down here, we can see that's the main weight variable. Click this left-hand arrow, the arrow that points to the right, to select it, and click OK. You can now see here that the weight is on. Now, we're going to add province and sex. So we'll get back over to the left-hand side and go into the demographics category. Click on province and add this to row. We want to do the same thing for sex. Click on it and add to row. Depending on your variables, you can play around with the placement of rows and columns until it makes the most sense for your table. This splits the original question by province, we can see that here along the left, and then further into sex. Creating this crosstab gives us a different perspective of the data. To remove a variable, you can do so by using the drop-down menus along the top. So if I wanted to get rid of the sex, I would click down and then I would go to Remove from Table. And now we have our variable, have you ever used or tried ecstasy, broken down only by province. So, that is all for this tutorial. This was created by the Carleton University Data Center. Thanks for watching!